how to fix Airbnb account suspended as a host. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is first of all, review all of the notification email. What you're going to do is simply open your email inbox, check your inbox for any official email from Airbnb specifying policy violation. For example, it could be non-compliance, reviews, or safety, right? So after checking that out, from there you'll be able to know what exactly is the problem. Then you can start gathering your documentation. What you're going to do is prepare your government ID, listing, safety proofs, and also correspondence records, right? So after gathering all of the documentation, now you have to submit an appeal. For that, what you can do is simply go to your airbnb.com/help website, or you can actually tap on appeal link and suspension notice on your email that you'll be able to get. So on your browser, what you're going to do is simply write down Airbnb help. If you simply type that down, you'll be able to get this particular link right here on the customer service. From here, you can actually appeal, right? So you can actually submit an appeal. Then from there you can try to contact the host support too. You can follow up the Airbnb resolution center to present corrective action, and I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to fix that Airbnb account being suspended as a host.